That's why I don't really worry about you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Seasparkles Corner.
I put this door up.
We are attempting, or my babe, David, is attempting to redo a door.
Oh, right now, I'm trying to get the old one out.
So right now he's trying to get the old one out.
The problem is I put it in here.
And boom, bam, there it goes. There goes Ren.
There's the first part. I do too good of work. Let's put it this way. That was the screws holding it up.
And this is the new door that's going to be put in, but it's going to have a doggy door for Ren.
Probably going to first you can use it.
So when my David starts to put up the new door, we will be back.
I'm too good at making stuff. What is it?